getting cold. All right, let's see if we can get her back here. Hang on, Reba. You all right? It's okay. Come here. Come here. Put this on. Back up. All right, just dropped off Reba. She's gonna have a spa day today. She's gonna get bathed up. So today I'm gonna go over a client, how I helped them out. They hit me up on Sunday, and I'll tell you a little bit of it. They're looking to get a house, and one major mistake that they've made is they're going and they were trying to get they were applying, and they try to get a car or something, and they ran their credit like 6-7 times and dropped their credit score. So I told them, you know, hey, if we're trying to get a house, we want to do things a certain way. So a little bit later on, I'm gonna have this all mapped out on a board and show y'all how I help them, how it's gonna help protect you when you're looking to buy a house, certain mistakes you don't want to make. That's my gas gauge. Gas is kind of low. I got to get some gas. It just started happening. And so later on, I'm gonna lay it all on a map. You're gonna get to see it, so stay tuned. It's coming up real soon, real soon, real soon. All right, cool. Thank you. All right. What's that? I'm gonna try, and if not, I'll bring it back in and come get my truck and bring it, come get it. Hey, it fit. As a business owner, you should be staying busy. I get up early in the morning. I didn't get my workout in this morning because my tire was at the car wash this morning. We weren't able to get the gym and work out, so I'm gonna get my workout a little bit later on. Gonna have some meetings to get some stuff knocked out. I'm running over here to the office. Okay, I want to have a meeting real quick. I'm with the supervisor back there and one of the other team members. Okay, thank you. I'm heading over here real quick, just get a little workout in the middle of the day, begin the day. I couldn't get in this morning. So I'm gonna get this in, have a little bit Power Crunch bar. I don't know if you had these before. These Power Crunch bars are really good. Somebody's calling me. Anyways, about to go work out. Okay, I'm at the gym, about to get a workout in. I'm doing a push-pull, excuse me, leg day. So I'm push on Monday, pull yesterday, back and bis, and today I'm doing legs, get some cardio in. I rode my bike this morning, got some cardio in. Stay busy today, just stay busy, grind, just work hard. Work hard. Legs, I feel like they're getting stronger, getting my cardio up. That was a water bottle. Thought something hit me. I gotta go down to the downtown office, take care of some business, and some meetings down there. Then I'm gonna go over the stuff we was talking about earlier about when you're looking to buy a house, some major mistakes I see people make when they're getting their credit restored, and I'm gonna cover those things. Boom, back. See how quick that change was? Joe is gonna go take care of some stuff. I'm gonna meet with him later on. He's gonna get some stuff to straighten the garage up. Joe's a real good friend of mine. I'm very consistent. You can count on him. He's a good guy. And so I appreciate Joe's help. Appreciate you, Joe. I know you're gonna watch this, hopefully. I know you're gonna watch this. So appreciate you, man. Thank you a whole lot. All right, I'm downtown right now. And as you see, I got this chair I bought in the back. I showed you it earlier today. And I'm about to surprise my supervisor. Brought some new management in, and she's been doing a great job with the team. And so I think it's just important the people you have, when they do a good job, to show them you appreciate them. So anyways, about to surprise with this chair. I'm come out here. I got some supplies, some labels and all that. I just decided to come down here and drop them off.
Okay, I'll come outside.
Okay, see you in a minute.
All right,
bye-bye.
What is this? A gigantic chair?
That's hey, that's your chair.
Whose chair?
It's yours. I got you a gift.
Did you really?
For doing a great job.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So I just left the office down there, and as you see, like, she was really happy, you know, that I got her that chair. So if I can tell you anything in business and life, is always show appreciation for your friends, your coworkers, people that cut for you, cut for them. It's called love. It's called giving. That's what we should be doing. It's been a good day so far. I'm gonna get to that credit tip very shortly. So stay tuned, and it's gonna happen real soon. All right, so let's wrap this video up. I'm gonna show you this review. This reviewee said that it's been 2 months and my credit scores jumped up 60 points. And items have been removed from my credit report. Brad and his crew has done a great job. I will give another update in 60 days. Thanks, Credit Repair, highly recommended. So basically I was able to help him and his wife. They're looking at getting a home. And so these are some of the things I'm gonna cover. These are mistakes that people make when they're trying to buy their first house, or people in general that they make. So I'm gonna explain these. I'm gonna go over these so hopefully you don't make these mistakes when you're looking at buying a home. So number one is car shopping. When you're looking to get a home, you can be real excited. You're wanting to get your first home. It's a real exciting thing. And your credit scores start going up. So you're like, man, I want to get a car too. So people go out there and they go car shopping. And then what happened is they went to a car dealership. They pulled their credit 6 or 7 times and it dropped their credit score. So one dealership can, try to run your credit through many different banks trying to get you the best interest rate, the best point spread for themselves, and it can drop your credit score. So do not go out car shopping if you're trying to get a house. You want to hold up. Do not make that mistake. Number 2 mistake that they made is finance companies. A lot of these places, they'll tell you they don't report to credit reports, or they do report to credit reports. They do, but a bank frowns upon finance companies because they know you're paying 50 to 100% interest rate on that money. So they may report, but it doesn't look good. So we actually go and dispute those to get finance companies removed off of people's credit reports. We have better options to build your credit. And number 3, last but not least, is cheaper credit repair services. So I was like, man, what happened? He said, I went to this other guy and he was cheaper than you. And he said, he don't charge monthly fees. It's a one flat fee of $300. And he said, but I spent a lot of time with him and didn't get nowhere. And I said, well, cheaper doesn't always mean better. We have over 20 years experience. I do myself. And so you don't want to go get cheaper services. I'm telling you, there's hardly anybody I see in the market that does what we do. Look at collection letters, comb the reports of violations, work with law firms. Even big companies online that are law firms, they don't even use the attorneys. We use attorneys. So when you're looking to get a house, cheaper is not always better when you're trying to get your credit done. There's cheaper cars out there, but there's way better cars. Porsches, different types of cars are better quality. So know the type of services you're going to use. If it's not going to be us, make sure you go look at the company. Look at our Better Business Bureau rating. We have an A+ rating, but we have close to, I think, 3 complaints in 3 years. There's other big companies online that have over 500 complaints. So please look at the company you're working with. If you don't work with us, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Like this video so you can and click on the notifications so you get notified of future videos that are coming up. A lot of more great information, things dropping. I'm looking at going on vacation. I'm about to go to bed. I got to wake up real early, go to the airport, head into Florida, to Key West, Florida. I'm looking forward to get there, and I may show y'all some video. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to take my camera, just chill out and relax and enjoy it. Hope y'all enjoyed today's episode. Have a blessed day. I'm going to catch y'all real soon.